What's going on, everybody? Johnny here again on AsiaRCDepot RC video. In this video, we're gonna make this mini Kei Truck Drift by installing a gyro on it. Over here we have this SkyRC GC301 gyro that you can get it via online for about 96 Malaysia ringgit or 32 Sing dollars. Please find the link in the description below if you are interested in it. So let's get it started. Firstly, you need to remove the truck cover by loosening the 6 screws on this truck, 2 rear, 2 at the center, and 2 at the front panel. So let's do it. After that, you need to take off the whole cover very carefully because there is a LED cable attached on it. So let's remove that. So now you can see all the electric components in these trucks. So this is the turning servo over here, and it is a standard 3-pin connector for the servo. Next thing, you need to find the best locations for the gyro to attach on it. Normally, we will try our best not to attach the gyro near to the motor because this will help to reduce the unnecessary vibrations which will impact the operations of gyro. So this will be the gyro that will attach in between the receiver and the turning servo. I plan to attach it on the right side of the covers, so it will be easier for me to adjust the gyro's sensitivity or the direction later. Let's mark it and cut off some space of it. Stick with double-sided tapes. Boom! It looks good. Next, compare the size of the new connector. Just make sure you have the same size of the connector, as these mini trucks doesn't have much room at the electric component area. Just twist it and tidy up the cable in the room. Connect the new cable to the receiver board. Connect back the LED cable, then put the cover up. So it will be covered up nicely. After that, connect the new cable and the servo cable to the gyro. Then switch on the truck. The gyro should be working. Then the last thing, we need to check the directions, whether it's the normal or reverse. Put all the screw back. Then boom, installation done. It's easy and plug and play. So let's test it out. I hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button if you like this video and hit that subscribe button so that I can see you in next video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next week. Bye.